The greenhouse's 8 roll-up windows have mesh netting to allow for cross-ventilation and climate control. Walk-in garden greenhouse solid steel construction with a galvanized finish, which is resistant to rust, chipping and peeling. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Transparent plastic cover. The tough, durable, and transparent PE plastic cover protects plants while allowing nourishing sunlight to pass through. The cover can be easily attached to the frame with the included tethers and single-sided tape. Number 2. Stability. Greenhouse equipped with 4 slant bracing tubes, a front crossbar, and middle reinforced tubes for enhanced stability. Number 3. Roll-up door. The plant hothouse has a large zipped roll-up door that provides easy access to the inside and can be attached to the top in order to stay open. Number 4. Durable PE cover. 100% waterproof and UV protection, maximum solar performance, keep the greenhouse inside warmer, and help to extend plant growing seasons. Number 5. Frame construction. The greenhouse has a powder-coated heavy-duty steel framework, and strong ground ropes and ground stakes create a stable, reliable structure that can last a long time. Number 6. Roll-up zippered door. Our greenhouse is designed with a zippered roll-up door and walk-in style to make it comfortable and convenient to care for plants, and provides good ventilation. Number 7. 12 roll-up side windows. The greenhouse's 8 roll-up windows have mesh netting to allow for cross-ventilation and climate control. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.